Hi children, today I am going to talk about safe, responsible and ethical use of ICT. You may be wondering what is ICT? ICT stands for Information Communication Technology. What is digital world? It's unique to each person, depend on availability and personal preferences. ICT tools in schools. Some of them are Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, interactive whiteboards, Internet, visualizer, and e-books. Benefits of ICT in primary school are creativity, motivation, engagement, communication, and digital literacy. ICT helps to develop critical thinking skills of children by searching information and separating fake or real. Media balance. To keep up healthy life, balance online and offline activities. Online activities. Some of offline activities. How to use ICT safely in digital world. Set up a strong password. Keep the password safe and secure. Make a long password consisting different characters such as uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and icons that are hard to guess by others. Always make sure to log off the computer when you have done your work or leave the workstation. Secure your digital identity. That's your personal details. Your full name, your date of birth, your home address, your mobile phone number, your school name and school address. Ensure online security. Do not open unknown emails, messages from unknown sources. Avoid chatting with strangers. Stop cyberbullying. Be confident and contact trustworthy adult when you feel unsafe, threatened or bullied. For responsible ethical use of ICT in digital world. Respect viewers. Think before you upload, comment or share a post. Stop plagiarizing. Don't steal someone's work and ideas to present like yours. Use proper referencing. Obey the copyright rules. Be creative. Creative Commons is an international organization where people can get free license to amend the materials legally. The appropriate referencing need to be used always. This is my reference page from where I got my information. Thank you.